These are my gel jellies. Look up close. They are very, very unique and beautiful. All stones are glass, and I just love them. We have the white bead, the blue, and these are glass beads. They're not the sea beads. These are the glass. They were so reasonable at the bead shop that is closing on the 26th of June. And they were so reasonable. OMG. We have the yellow. We have color. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. Bought 2 of these. And we have the black. We have the sea beads here. And they're the ruby red. We have the white sea beads. We have shelled sea beads. Not quite sure the name of the color. We have the yellow sea beads. These are the amethyst beads. So I can go ahead and cut the ends off. And these are one sea beads. These clamps here from Michaels. Not all of my waistlets going to have this clamp. Say for instance, if I'm traveling or whatever, I would take this off. So again, I'm going to take these little ends off. It's nice and glued at the end. And when you're traveling, you can just twist this and take it off and go through that little security thingy and it won't buzz. Aren't these pretty? They are the stretchy. Which one really works? This is my first time using the Stretch Magic. So I'm going to try to be very delicate and very careful with the Stretch Magic. But I've always used this for my gel jellies. Always. And I'm going to show you why. Here's my gel jellies. All I hear is African waist beads, but no one, not even an African online, no one mentioned gel jellies. These are my gel jellies, guys. I make gel jellies. These gel jellies I made 4 years ago. Some of them glow in the dark, and they're glass stones, glow in the dark. And look how pretty they are. This is the string that I told you I used, the elastic here. 4 years, guys. 4 years. So which one you think that'll last longer? I think the ones, the fish wire here, last long. Why? Because I've had these for 4 years. And look at the stones. Aren't they pretty? Gel jelly. If you're African from Senegal, listen to this. This noise right here for the male Africans in Senegal, if they hear this sound, it turns them on. 100%. And that's why they call them gel jellies. These are the intimate bead. You wear this around your waist and it's supposed to make a lot of noise and sound, and it's supposed to do something to help the male. They are definitely sexy on. These are the waist beads. I'm going to get a little closer so you can see the actual color. And again, forgive me for my nails. After this video, I am going to see Lily so she can do my nails. Aren't these cute, guys? For real, though. And believe me, they are time consuming. I did make these myself. Yeah, these are my nice little waist beads, and they're cute, and I'm going to make more. And don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, share with your friends or family. Thank you again for watching. This is Deep in the house.